Yo, what's up guys, Latrell. In today's video, I think I'm gonna have to say rest in peace Samsung Galaxy S5 because this will not turn on. It's just give me a little boot loops and whatever. So yeah, let me just go ahead and tell you what's going on here basically. So you can see right there. So yeah, let me go ahead and tell you. So what I did by mistake is what I did was actually took out the battery on here. So I didn't turn off the phone first, but I took out the battery and now it's just doing this weird little boot loop here. So not sure what this is doing here. I think I'm gonna have to try and go ahead and like plug it in the computer and try to do a reset. Maybe that work, I don't know. So yeah, I'm gonna have to see if it fixes itself or if I plug it in and they'll fix it. Maybe, I'm not sure, but that means it may not be it's a Samsung Galaxy S5 within 2018 video, but we're gonna have to see, because that's what I originally grabbed the phone for, and now it's just being weird for whatever reason, and I'm gonna have to see what's up here. So yeah guys, I just want to update you guys on that. Rest in peace Samsung. I hope not, but I'm just saying it right now. Rest in peace Galaxy S5 because it's not turning on, and I don't know why it's not turning on. But yeah guys, hopefully you enjoyed this. I really did. But I'll see you in the next one guys. Peace out.